Hi, right now I'm at one of the Pejabat Pos Malaysia in Penang, and while I'm eating this char kway, or this is hamimpeng, I could cash out some of the money from the Google Adsense through Western Union. So let's check it out. The minimum withdrawal from Google Adsense Singapore is from about $100 US. Let's check it out. The process how to cash out your earning from Google Singapore Ltd by using Western Union.
Print nanti baik-baik kalau dah letak satu kopi lah.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm done at the Pejabat Pos for my Google Adsense cash out for 100 USD as a YouTuber for www.EatLah.com. So all you just need to have is a MTCN number, money transfer control number to be at the Pejabat Pos. So see you. Subscribe to our channel, EatLah.com.